In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a premium Shopify store using Gempages in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking to enhance your Shopify site with a professional and polished look, Gempages is a fantastic tool to do just that. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, look for the Apps section in the navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the add-ons and extensions that can make managing your store a breeze. Click on Apps to continue. Next, we're going to search for Gempages. Gempages is an intuitive page builder that allows you to create stunning storefronts without needing a single line of code. Simply type Gempages into the search bar and it should appear in the results list. Once you see Gempages, go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the installation page. Here, you'll be prompted to install the app. Click on the Install button and make sure to confirm your choice when asked. This ensures that Gempages is added to your Shopify store. Now that you have Gempages installed, you'll want to open the app from your Shopify admin. It's a good idea to pin it to your navigation for easier access, especially since you'll likely be using it often to enhance your store's design. With Gempages open, click on the Pages option and then Create New Page. This is where the magic happens. You can choose the type of page you want to create, such as a product page or a landing page, depending on your needs. Once you've decided on the type of page, it's time to select a template. Gempages provides a variety of templates that serve as great starting points, or if you're feeling creative, you can start from scratch. The choice is yours. After selecting your template, it's time to personalize it using the drag and drop editor. This feature is particularly user-friendly and allows you to customize every aspect of the page. You can add and edit elements like banners, text blocks, and images to fit your brand's style and messaging. For those working on product pages, you'll want to use the Assign Product option to link the page to specific products in your store. This creates a seamless shopping experience for your customers. When you're satisfied with your design, don't forget to click Save. Saving your work ensures that all your customizations are stored. Finally, to make your new page live on your storefront, simply click Publish. If you're dealing with product pages, remember that you may need to assign these to specific products or a collection before finalizing the publication. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a premium Shopify store using Gempages, bringing a polished and professional look that will capture your audience's attention. Thank you for watching and happy designing.